This is a piece I'm finishing up right now, and I want to take the opportunity to show you one of the ways that I use the LUXE Crushed Mirror. This one is called Warm Antique, and the reason I named it that is because compared to the clear crushed mirror, this has a little bit of a gold, warmer tint to it. So that's what I'm using in this piece. It's like this elegant mauve and cream piece, so it makes sense to use this one. And what I'm gonna do is pour in the design that I'm wanting. So far I'm thinking this is very geode-esque, so I think I'm gonna continue the arch right there. One thing that I really love is that it will sink into the paint a bit, and what that does is, because of the reflection of the mirror, some of the layers will take on the color of the paint. So I've had this come out looking like gorgeous shiny sapphires because I was in a deep, beautiful navy paint. So in this case, it's like, gosh, if there was a mauve diamond, that's what it would look like. So it's up to you if you want to continue layering it. I usually do because I like the colors that it brings up from the bottom, and I like to see the actual color of the crushed mirror. So I'll add a little bit more over here where I started doing some work. With any purchase of the LUXE Crushed Mirror or the LUXE, this would be rose gold powder. This one is called Golden Glow. With any purchase, I will send you a free mini class, and it'll be on kind of a geode marbling technique using these products. So with any purchase, I will send that link to you. But for right now, I thought it would be fun for you to just be browsing and, you know, get a little education on a new, fun, experimental way to make geodes. And in this case, this is acrylic. And I realized that is completely rare to be able to make beautiful geodes with acrylic. But after several hundred hours in the studio of playing around, I figured out how to do some really gorgeous work. So I'm actually deciding I'm gonna add one more layer here. Just a light one. In this piece, I have 1.5 pounds so far of the crushed mirror, about 1.5 pounds in this piece. So there's a look at it. I love it. Beautiful, beautiful. This will change a little bit because there's so much pouring medium and that dries clear. So I know that when I paint that there's going to be some change in it, and I account for that change by adding pouring medium and bottles, and I'll teach you some of those tricks when we have a longer time in online class. Again, this is Victoria Wynn Modern Art.